Hello and welcome to Learning is Easy at your library. Mabuhay! This video will show you how to use Mendeley. This video is brought to you by the Information Services and Instruction section of the UP Diliman University Library. Mendeley is a free academic software which is part of Elsevier. It is a cross-platform, which means that you can use Mendeley whether you are using Windows, Mac, Linux, and mobile. It means that it is available for all platforms. You can also use Mendeley in Chrome, Safari, or Microsoft Edge, or any other media browsers. Basically, Mendeley is a personal library. If you downloaded articles in PDF format, you do not have to upload the PDF version on your local hard drive. You can have Mendeley as storage for all the articles that you downloaded, which will be available in the cloud. If, for instance, you found or used anything on the web that you think will be valuable for your research, you can put the link to the Mendeley application, and later the same principle in the PDF. You can access the link anywhere. You can access it through a tablet or mobile phone desktop or laptop, and you can also access it through the Mendeley web version. If in case you already have a PDF file stored on your device, you can also access those PDFs using Mendeley. Just select the Mendeley desktop app on your PC, select the Add Files icon, and select the PDF files that you want to open. In setting up the Mendeley, follow the following instructions. Go to mendeley.com, create an account using your UP webmail account, create or sign in your Elsevier account, and download Mendeley Web Importer for Chrome. You can add documents directly from Science Direct. Go to your Science Direct account and look for the articles that you think are suitable for the research project you are working on. Click the Mendeley Web Importer. Through the Mendeley Web Importer, you can immediately save this article in your library. Using the Import Document function, go to Mendeley, go to the left side and look for the Add button. Under the Add button, select the Import Document. This button will allow you to add documents from other sources, not only from Science Direct. Using the new manual entry function, go to Mendeley, go to the left side and look for the Add button. Under the Add button, select the new manual entry. Another thing Mendeley can do is collaboration. So there is an option for you to create what we call a sharing folder. Follow these steps in creating a sharing folder. In the Mendeley desktop, scroll down and find Create Groups. In this section, just select the icon Create Group and assign a name for your group. You can also choose the privacy settings that you want for your group. You can select Public, Invite Only, or Private. Public means everyone in Mendeley can search your group and request to join with your permission. Invite Only means that this is a public group but only for approved members. Members need to be pre-approved to be able to post anything in the group. Private is for close discussion and sharing of PDF files. In reading and highlighting the article, click the article. You can highlight and add notes on the article through the tools available at the top of the PDF file. If you are working collaboratively, you can use the general notes available at the Mendeley site for other members or collaborators. Other collaborators and members of the folder can also put notes and highlight on the PDF files available in that folder. Plug-in is when you connect the Microsoft Word to your Mendeley app so that every time you are making research or critiquing an article, you can just add the bibliographic references and citation in your work directly from the Microsoft Word. Here are some steps to follow. Go to your Mendeley and click Tools. Click Citation Plugin for Microsoft Word. Click OK, then you are good to go. Now that you have reached the end of the video, please note that all information contained in this presentation is accessible via our homepage, mainlive.upd.edu.ph. For further assistance or additional concerns, you may also send us an email via libraryinfo@updiliman@up.edu.ph. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube via our handle UPD Library. Good luck on your research! Remember, here at the University Library, we are discovering connections, connecting discoveries. Stay safe!